Being a student in 2026 comes with a strange challenge. There are more ways to make money than ever before, yet most students still feel stuck financially. The problem isn't lack of opportunity, it's choosing side hustles that fit student schedules, don't require upfront capital, and build useful skills instead of burning time. This video breaks down 7 realistic side hustles students can start in 2026, even with limited experience. The first side hustle is AI-assisted freelancing. You don't need to be an expert. Tools for writing, design, research, and editing allow students to deliver real value quickly. Businesses care about outcomes, not how long something took. Students can offer services like content writing, presentation design, email drafting, or social media captions, while improving their skills at the same time. The second side hustle is digital note selling. Students already create summaries, study guides, and exam prep materials. Turning well-organized notes into digital products can generate recurring income. Once created, they can be sold repeatedly without extra effort. The key is clarity and structure, not perfection. The third side hustle is short-form content editing. Creators and small businesses need help turning long videos into short clips. Students familiar with platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Reels already understand pacing and trends. This skill is in high demand and can be learned quickly with basic tools. The fourth side hustle is tutoring with a twist. Instead of traditional tutoring, students can specialize. Exam prep, problem-solving sessions, or simplified explanations for difficult subjects are especially valuable. Niche tutoring attracts better clients and allows higher hourly rates. The fifth side hustle is online research assistance. Many professionals don't have time to research topics, competitors, or data. Students already trained to research efficiently can offer this as a service. Clear summaries and organized findings are more valuable than long reports. The sixth side hustle is campus-based services. Even in a digital world, physical proximity matters. Services like device setup, tech help, moving assistance, or errand running are in constant demand on campuses. These services require little marketing and spread quickly through word of mouth. The seventh side hustle is building simple digital products. Templates, planners, checklists, and guides solve everyday problems. Students can create products based on what they already struggle with and share solutions with others. The advantage of digital products is scalability. One effort can pay off repeatedly. The goal of a side hustle in 2026 isn't just income, it's leverage. The best side hustles teach skills, create optionality, and reduce financial pressure without overwhelming your schedule.